In this video, I will show you how to anonymously convert your Zano into any other cryptocurrency without an exchange. That's right. No ID, no passport photo, no invasive questions, just Zano to any crypto, no registration required. So we are going to use Swapster. Swapster is one of many websites that allow you to swap from one crypto to another. So what you're going to do is simply just select the crypto that you want to swap. So in this case, we will be doing Zano. It's already selected here. And you can select whatever coin you'd like to convert your Zano into. Now you can do this the other way around as well if you want to convert your Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin or Ethereum or Monero into Zano. This is actually a really great way to buy Zano without directly buying on an exchange. So for the purpose of this video, let's convert some Bitcoin Cash into Zano. So here we're going to hit Bitcoin Cash and let's do 0.2 Bitcoin Cash. And it's really this simple. Click Start Exchange. So what we're going to do here is put in our Zano receiving address right here and click Exchange. So now that we have our exchange in process, you are simply going to send the Bitcoin Cash to this address. And within about 20 minutes, you will get 27 Zano. So make sure that the amount is exactly precise. So let me go ahead and view this. Okay, so I have sent 0.2 BCH to the address. Now it's very important that you don't close the screen. And I would even encourage you guys to copy this link here at the top. And as you can tell, it's detected the payment. And let's go ahead and wait for the exchange.
That's it. We are done. We have successfully converted Bitcoin Cash to Zano. No KYC, no registration, no invasive questions, no email, no phone number, only a browser and 5 minutes.